Welcome to our video. We will show you today how the FHIR data standard helps you digitalize your clinical data. We are Helix and FHIR, two companies from Germany and the Netherlands. We are experts on building tools and software for high-quality clinical data to speed up and network clinical research and care. High-quality clinical data is the key to faster research and better care. The coronavirus vaccines, for example, were only made possible due to global sharing of research data. Data analysis and data sharing help to advance personalized therapies. And electronic patient files will become the new standard for consolidating and using patient data. However, clinical data is still incredibly difficult to use in daily practice and research. Data silos, incompatible systems, and old IT infrastructure all prevent working with clinical data efficiently and safely. As a solution, the FHIR data standard has been developed. FHIR impacts how we understand and use health data now and in the future. FHIR is a globally established clinical data standard for structuring and connecting health data that can then be processed by machines, but can also be easily used by humans. FHIR is gaining massive support and adoption through all fields in healthcare. FHIR offers a far superior description of clinical data and a much easier way to connect and exchange clinical data. But most importantly, FHIR is compliant with the German law and Germany's strong demands on data privacy and data security. FHIR provides multiple opportunities to tap into different data sources and to create a holistic view of the patient. As an example, the Krankenhauszukunftsgesetz, or Hospital Future Act in Germany, requires the use of FHIR in all funded projects, which is why FHIR will be the future of German healthcare. 4.3 billion euro are made available to hospitals to become more digital, and FHIR is a required standard for data sharing in the Krankenhauszukunftsgesetz. FHIR impacts nearly every funding goal, especially in patient services, clinical documentation, and efficient clinical decision-making. FHIR standardizes how patient data is collected and used. FHIR provides secure and safe ways to digitize and use patient data in all funded projects. However, the deadline is tight. Hospitals can only apply for funding in the Krankenhauszukunftsgesetz until the end of 2021. And if a hospital is funded but hasn't started with a digitalization project, heavy penalties can follow. So it's important to get started with FHIR now. We help you in all steps to implement your funded project, from planning to execution, IT implementation, and project management. FHIR also impacts electronic patient files in Germany, which are right around the corner and built on the FHIR data standard. There is one very important date. From 2023 onwards, the patient should be able to give consent on data sharing for research purposes from within their own electronic patient file. FHIR is the best use for this, as it comes with an extensible rights and role management and easy ways to implement data sharing and consent management. We provide all the tools and solutions to get started with FHIR. Our FHIR toolbox can be used together or standalone. Our FHIR server provides everything for storing and sharing clinical data. Our FHIR plugins make adapting FHIR to your IT easy. Our FHIR mapper helps you to easily transform all your existing clinical data into FHIR. And the Onto server provides FHIR-based clinical terminologies. We help you to get quickly up and running with FHIR and start implementing FHIR in your hospital in all areas from research to care. And of course, all our solutions can be used in all funding goals of the Krankenhauszukunftsgesetz. We'll help you getting started with FHIR today. We fully support you in all funding goals of the Krankenhauszukunftsgesetz. We help you to easily exchange clinical data with all your stakeholders, provide compliance with data privacy, and reduce time and costs of upgrading your IT and data. We make it possible to implement electronic patient files and to provide a one data box for shared research and care. To get started with FHIR, then don't hesitate to contact us anytime. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.